a weird space when nothing's happening, you're overthinking everything, starting to think that the universe or God has forgotten about you. Pause. It did not forget, it's just not rushing like you are. Divine timing isn't random. Sometimes things delay because you are not ready, and sometimes they delay because they're not ready for you. Now, let's be real. If everything you asked for landed tomorrow, would you actually be prepared? Could you hold it with confidence? Or would you sabotage it with doubt and untold stuff? Here's what changed the game for me. I stopped trying to control the timing. I started acting like it was already mine. I moved with calm. I stopped chasing. I let go of the how. And I reminded myself daily, if it's meant for me, I cannot mess it up. You don't need to force divine timing. You just need to align with it. And when it finally clicks, the job, the relationship, the version of you you've been becoming, it won't feel rushed. It will feel just right. So breathe. Keep building, keep preparing, because what's meant for you is already on the way. And honestly, it's probably just waiting for you to chill down a little.